Duma do art tip, do not be confused by the two mediums. I know, the same word for two different things. There are art mediums like watercolor or oil, and then there's painting mediums. And painting mediums are things that you add to paint. So this is linseed oil, and I add this to oil paint. And you can get mediums to add to watercolor, and you can get mediums that you add to acrylic. And what they do is they change the flow, the texture, even the drying time of your paint, and even the sheen. So paint mediums you add to paint, but art mediums are actually the different kinds of things that you can create art with. So watercolor, oil, acrylic, collage, pencil, these are your art mediums. Don't get them confused. It's still a little confusing, isn't it? Should have come up with another word. How hard would have that have been? If you have any other questions, let me know. Drop them in the comments. Send me a DM. Send me an email. Come check me out in the Facebook group. And come on, let's get you painting.